Penny, I didn't say we were going to be eating 4 different foods today. I said we're going to be drawing them and playing them on our drum. Oh no, you're eating a carrot now? Oh goodness. Alrighty, well, Penny finishes eating her carrot. Let's go ahead and draw our 4 different types of food. So I'm starting with a slice of cake. And you can also draw the food that you want to include in your food rhythm. And you can draw it however you like to draw it. And also below the picture of the food, I'd like you to include a plate. And on that plate, it can show us how the beat is broken down into different syllables. So when I say the word cake, I know that it just has one syllable. So on that plate, I'm going to leave it empty. It's not going to be divided. It's a one full beat. Okay, so what should I draw next? Maybe a bowl of salad. So I can draw my bowl of salad, and then eventually I'll think about how many syllables the word salad has. So how is that beat divided up into different sounds? There we go. There's some little spinach leaves. Nice healthy salad. I love a good salad. Do you all like salad? Well, it's very good for you, isn't it? Okay, so now let's draw a plate and think, how many syllables does it have? 2. Salad. So make sure to divide that plate in half. Next up is gonna be something I love to eat in the summertime. Does anybody have a guess? It looks kind of like my cake from up above, doesn't it? But it's not. Did anybody guess watermelon? There's a lot of syllables in watermelon, isn't there? So let's think about it. Watermelon. I counted 4. Did anybody else count 4? So let's divide the plate into 4 different sections. So we know that when I play that on the drum, I'm going to play 4 little sounds really quickly. Okay, last up. Does anybody have a guess what this is going to be? So far, looks like a spaceship. Okay, does anybody have a guess now? That's a tomato. A little bit of lettuce on the bottom. Does anybody have a guess? All right, it's a cheeseburger. So I'm going to go ahead and include the details. How many syllables does the word cheeseburger have? Cheeseburger. So I should divide it into 3 shapes, right? All right, so there we have it. And I would also like you to write the name of the food underneath your plate. So you'll have a picture of your food, the plate divided into how many syllables, and the name of your food underneath the plate. And next up, we will add color. Alright, it is time to play our food rhythm today. So hopefully you had a chance to draw 4 different types of food, and hopefully you had a chance to think about how many syllables are in each food. So you drew a plate. You can start with just an empty plate and then think of how many syllables they have. If it just has 1, leave it empty. If it's divided in half, like salad, then divide it in half. If it has 4 syllables like watermelon, you can have 4 different shapes. And a lot of foods you're going to find have 3 syllables, so you can divide it into 3 shapes. And then it's time to play it. And you can choose to use your drumsticks or markers, whatever you want to call them, whatever you're choosing to use for your drumsticks. Or you can use your hands, or if you want to hit it on the table, just think back to that experimenting day and you can do whatever you want with it. And so you're going to read the food rhythm that you drew and you're going to play it on your drum. Okay, so let's go for it. So, cake, salad, watermelon, cheeseburger. All right, and I can change change it. Maybe I can try to drop my drumsticks at some point and use my hands. It's up to you, but play around with it. And remember, this week you can choose to turn in this picture to me, or you can choose to turn in a video of you playing your food rhythm. It is up to you, or you could turn in both. I would love to see both, you know I would. Well, I hope you have fun. Let me know if you have questions, and see you soon.